we designed something light and cool to wear, like these linen shirts?
Love, love, love what you're doing, Jackie. By changing the types of clothes we wear, we can be more comfortable in the heat. And I always say, good design makes life divine.
Aw, poor pup. He looks thirsty.
You're right. The hotter it is, the more water you need to drink.
Here, puppy.
You just gave me an idea.
Now that's a cool way to cool down.
Hey! Felt good, though.
I wonder if there are some other changes we can do to make my factory cooler. I mean, temperature-wise, obviously.
We could get a giant iceberg and put it right here. I know a guy who knows a guy who knows a guy who...
Ditch? I think we can find an easier solution.
Wait, I have another idea. Be right back. Just maybe. Hey, Maddie, check out the roof tiles. All squares. But the color is really dark. Didn't you say that dark colors absorb more heat?
I did. So, if we painted a lighter color, it could cool the factory down.
If this works, lighter rooftops would be a great way for the whole city to adapt to the heat.
La 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 la, too easy. Uh-oh. Out of paint.
How much more do you need?
If I had to guess, I'd say... some?
But I need a number, Didge. Try counting the tiles.
On it. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 square tiles. And we use 2 buckets of paint for 1 tile.
Great. 2 buckets of paint for 1 tile, then...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Got it. We need 6 buckets of white paint.
Not a problem. I love it.
Buzz! The Flower Club says the show might happen after all! Woohoo!
Great news, Dee Dee. And the Noon Blossom looks not so great. What if we can't get it to perk up in time? There must be something we can do.
Well, sometimes I sing to the Noon Blossom to make it happy.
Sing? Great. Why stop there? How about a little tap number? You think the Noon Blossom liked it?
Hard to tell, but I'm really impressed with your tap moves.
It's almost perfect back here, but it still might be a little too hot for the flower show.
Toodles!
What if we use some fabric and make shades to put over the audience? That way they'll be out of the sun and feel a lot cooler.
Yes! Canopies! A fabulous idea, Jackie! We can make them in my factory.
Okay, but first, we need a plan.
Ooh, a square notebook? Love!
We can make canopies that look like this for people to stand under.
Looks good to me. How many should we make?
If we know how many can fit under 1 canopy, we can figure out how many we need.
Hey, Digit! Catch!
Everyone under?
That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 of us.
And there's still tons of room.
Great, we can fit 5 more.
5 plus 5 is...
10.
So 1 canopy is big enough for 10 people.
And 50 signed up for the show.
So we need canopies for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 canopies.
Let's get busy.
10 cyber feet.
Mark?
Marked. Cut.
Yikes! What happened?
Oh no. No. The power went out. Not the first time either. It happens sometimes when it gets really hot.
That's because a city might not have enough power for everyone to run their fans and air conditioners at the same time.
And without power to run my machines, we can't make the canopies.
Oh no!
I can't believe it! The flower show is off again!
The machines might be down, Zorine, but the CyberSquad is not.
Oh, it's cool.
It's shady.
It's perfect.
The 30th annual Factoria Flower Show is on!
Edie, guess what? The flower show is back on.
Oh, that's so great!
Only now the show won't start until tonight.
So?
Well, you told me your noon blossom only blossoms at noon, and it didn't even do that.
You're right, Buzzy. Guess there's no need to go to the show now.
Are you kidding me? Of course we're going.
I can't wait to show my cybersynth to everyone. And it's all thanks to you, CyberSquad.
Well, we couldn't have done it without you. You were a huge help in making big changes all around Factoria.
I'm proud of you too, Zorine. You helped save the flower show. You know what? We should have the flower show in the evenings from now on. I'll speak to the club about it.
Yeah, it's cooler then, and it could make it easier to adapt to the heat.
Oh, I meant because it'll give me more time to get all dressed up.
Here you go. A number for you, a number for you, a number for you, a number for
Come on, Dee Dee. Dee Dee?
Delete, you're entering a flower?
Uh-huh.
And he's gonna win, too.
We'll see about that. Here's your number.
Number 10? There's no way I can win if there are that many plants. Please grow, little Noon Blossom. Pretty please.
Good luck.
I grew this flower from a tiny seed. I watered it every day, made sure it had plenty of light, and took good care of its soil. Meet the CyberSynth!
Let's hear it for my adorable granddaughter, Zorine. It's getting pretty dark, so you might want to turn on your flashlights to see our next contestant. Contestant number 10, come on up. Number 10. Number 10? Where are you?
That's you, Dee Dee. Go on.
Yeah, but my Noon Blossom hasn't blossomed. I have nothing to show.
Come on. Your plant looks great.
Yeah. Go on up, Delete.
I don't know.
Dee Dee, you worked so hard to help your plant grow, you deserve to show it off. Get your chance in the spotlight.
You think so? Well, okay.
Well, there you are. All right, everybody. Our final contestant is here, joining us all the way from the northern frontier. Delete! Show us what you've got.
Mama, may I present to you my Noon Blossom? Please do something. Please?
Whoa, what is happening?
Wow! I had no idea my Noon Blossom would flower like this.
It's beautiful. Flowers are nice. I get it now.
What a gorgeous moon blossom you have there, Delete.
Moon Blossom? But this is a Noon Blossom.
Oh, no, that's a moon blossom.
It is?
Yep, sure as I'm Granny. It's a super rare flower that blossoms only once in the moonlight.
Oh, so that's why it didn't blossom at noon.
I have never seen one before, only read about them. But it looks like you've taken excellent care of it.
Oh, I tried.
Delete, you and your wonderful moon blossom are the winners of the 30th annual Factoria Flower Show.
Watch your favorite shows anytime on the PBS Kids video app.